Hello everyone, we are from Group 1 and today we will identify the symptom of disease in Oryza sativa.
Hello, my name is Aulia Marsalika Turumian. My last study number 005.
My name is Kiki Ame Putri. My last study number 013.
My name is Arina Konita and my last study number is 032.
And my name is Permata Asri and my last study number is 036. So happy watching!
Oryza sativa L is a cereal crop that produces rice as a staple food and grows well in paddy field with adequate water availability. Our group conducted observations on November 19, 2025 at Taman Cemara Street, Block F, Maguwo Harjo. After identifying, we found 3 diseases, including seed blight, empty grain, and seed blast.
Empty grains in rice occur when the grains fail to fill and become hollow, usually due to sting bug attacks or infection from bacteria and fungi such as Spicularia grigia. The symptoms include chalky or dark grains, leaf spots, and panicle that are easily pulled off. Countermeasures including using resistant rice varieties, applying proper fertilization and irrigation, arranging planting distance, and monitoring pests. Chemical control can also be done using insecticide like diltamethrin or imidacloprid and fungicides such as tiviconazole.
To calculate disease, the first step is to determine the sample size. After that, count the affected plants. Then calculate the number of affected plants using this formula. The calculation results show that empty grain disease was 30%.
The seed blight disease in rice attacked the leaf seeds and it caused by the fungus Rhizoctonia solani, which leads to spotting, rotting, and increased lodging of the plants. This disease can be managed by avoiding dense planting, adjusting nitrogen fertilization, improving field drainage, and using resistant varieties. If the infection becomes severe, appropriate fungicide may be applied at the early onset of symptoms.
The calculation results show that rice seed blight was 65%.
The seed blast disease in rice is caused by the fungus Magnoporus oryza, formerly known as Spicularia oryza. This pathogen thrives under human conditions with warm temperature, especially when the plants receive excessive nitrogen fertilizer or when substable varieties are used. These symptoms appear as dark brown lesions on the leaf seed that can spread to the stem and panicle neck, causing the seed to dry, the panicle to break, and the grains to become empty. For control, in terms of culture particle, farmers add this device to plant resistant varieties, maintain proper spacing to ensure good air circulation and well-balanced fertilizer. And for chemical control, fungicide spraying is carried out when the infection is already severe.
The calculation results show that blast disease was 40%.